ASAP General Contracting, working on a pool today. We pressure washed the pool yesterday. This is the tile we're putting in here. We started that today. Tomorrow we're going to be demucking the bottom of the pool. This is an old-fashioned pool, about 50 years old, maybe even a little bit older design, and so we're having to retrofit the pool. And we are currently going to put in about somewhere between 50 and 100 feet of square feet of pool tile around the top edge, just to kind of take away some of the ugly, you know, neglect, basically is the only word I can use, neglect. And so we're going to see what we can do to make this pool look way better than it does right now. But again, all the biological will come out tomorrow. And then again, we've already put in maybe 10 feet of tile today. I'll try and see if I can draw in a little closer. It's basically a pool tile. I'll walk a little bit closer to it and kind of get some sheen off of the tile. A little closer. But that's the end result. The rest will get painted with a rubberized paint. Several coats of rubberized paint that we'll be using to coat the rest of the pool. Stop all of the issues they're having. We're gonna have to caulk the pool and use some, there's a product called Red that we may have to use just to bring things like this back to life. Like this right here has kind of got problems. We'll be working on that once we get it demucked. We've done about, probably 30 or 40 pools over the last few years that look like this, where somebody just allowed the trees to go crazy. And what really, the big solution is these trees need to be trimmed way back here and here. But again, the client hasn't chosen to do that yet. Or a screen enclosure. A screen enclosure would go a long ways to solve a lot of problems here. All right, well, thanks for watching our videos. It's ASAP General Contracting. And again, it's the number is 904-346-1266. Licensed, bonded by the state of Florida. State of Florida certified licensed contractor. And like I said, we hope you enjoy your videos. Again, the work is being done by ASAP General Contracting, 904-346-1266. Thank you.